Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Here's the best way to enjoy fresh summer vegetables. For the sauce, brown 1 chopped onion with 60 ml of vegetable oil. Add 3 cloves of chopped garlic and 3 chopped green peppers and saute for about 3 minutes. Add 3 peeled and cut tomatoes and 1 tablespoon of butter. Then cook for 2 or 3 minutes. Finally, add salt, pepper, paprika, dried thyme and stir. Then turn off the stove. Pour the sauce into an ovenware and spread to cover the bottom. Cut potatoes, eggplants, zucchinis and tomatoes into rings and layer the sliced veggies on top of the sauce. Line with parchment paper on top and cover with aluminum foil. Bake for 20 minutes in an oven preheated at 200 degrees. Then uncover the ovenware and continue baking until the vegetables soften. Finally, sprinkle with grated mozzarella. Put back into the oven until the mozzarella melts and golden browns. Ratatouille is ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching.